Today, some Xiaomi devices have been certified by Chinese Communications Commission. One of the phone has this model number and will support 10-watt fast charging. Shortly after, TENAA images of the phone have surfaced online revealing its design. The Xiaomi phone with this model number is actually a Redmi branded device. The phone has a manufacturer's name on the chain, which itself is quite slim. There is a camera in the middle of the display's upper portion, hinting at the phone having a notch. On the back, the phone has dual cameras, which are vertically arranged and positioned in the middle of the phone. There's an LED flash above the sensors, while a fingerprint scanner sits below. The phone also has a Redmi logo on the back. The areas where cameras, fingerprint scanner and manufacturer's name occupy has a darker shade than the rest of the phone. The official name of this Xiaomi device is still unknown. There's a speculation it may be Redmi 8. The Redmi 7 was announced back in March and it also has 10-watt charging. More details about the phone should surface soon, most especially its full TENAA listing. That's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.